Okay, good morning YouTubers. Today, for all my math teachers out there, we will make the origami book. And here's what it looks like. I'll adapt this, hold on. Okay, so a book looks like this here. And I've used them to do math content. Here's the great mathematicians. And you can put content in here, either math or other content. You can adapt it to your way. I'm a good artist over the years. Okay, that's one project that I do that you can adapt to your classroom. Okay, so here's how we make the origami book. Take a piece of paper. This is a larger piece of paper. You can use any size. Simply fold it in half the long way. I tell my class to fold it like a hot dog, like this. Open it up. Fold it like a hamburger. Fold it the other way, like this. Make a good crease. Fold it again onto itself like this here. Just folding it onto itself the long way like a smaller hot dog roll like this. Take one page and fold it one page all the way back the opposite way like this. And you'll know you've done it right if you can say you have a little tent. You have a tent, that's good. Okay, we're gonna make one cut from here down to the base, just like halfway down like this. I tell my students we have Mr. Mouth, okay? Now we make our book, it's simple as 1, 2, 3. And this book has 7 pages. So here's how you make a small origami book. Okay, have a great day.